And parallel to early warning system, citizen science is getting popular and highly encouraged. And the idea is that you have the volunteers, which is the citizen scientists, to report back the first-hand information of earthquakes within minutes. And you can have them to host seismic stations to provide detailed waveform recordings, as shown by this figure that you have the more detailed information of ground motion up or down, and that helps a lot in the understandings of earthquake source processes and seismic wave propagation, especially in the area where you don't have dense enough seismic network. And even better, you can also have the online educational tools that allow the citizen scientists to see their data, process their data, and interact with other people's data, and perhaps contribute to scientific discovery. And in the following slides, I'm going to talk about high tsunami risk in West Sumatra, Indonesia. You already saw the pictures of the 2004 magnitude 9.3 Sumatra earthquake that killed about 300,000 people, right? And actually, after that event, several more great earthquakes, which is magnitude greater than 8, hit the same area, line up along the strikes of the trench. So what happened here is after the 2004 magnitude 9.3 earthquake that ruptured this area, you have several more earthquakes occur in 2005, 2007, and 2008. And even before the Sumatra earthquake, you have the smaller earthquake occur along the same plate boundary in 2000 and 2002. And you can see a clear seismic gap here, and so is in this seismicity map. So the question is this the place where you don't get to accumulate stress so that you don't need to worry about future earthquake potential in this area, Padang? And the answer is no, because by looking at this historical earthquake that occurred in last 200 years, you see that there was a big enough earthquake occurred in Padang area in 1797. So what it says is, by calculation, a magnitude 8.8 earthquake is expected to fill that gap to occur in Padang, Indonesia. And this is the area where you have 1,000,000 people lived here. And unfortunately, the highest population is far from the highland. The calculation based on assumed earthquake location and wave propagation speed says that a tsunami will hit the coast in 25 minutes after the earthquake occurred. And this figure shows the modeled inundation area, as denoted by blue here, corresponding to a evacuation time map showing by different colors here. And this says that if you live in this red area, you need to have 40 minutes to run to the safer area, higher land. And by comparing with this 25 minutes, and you know that if you live here in a red area, you just don't have enough time to run. So the mayor and the emergency agency in Padang says that if the anticipated earthquake and tsunami occurred today, 400,000 people would die. And that means there is a urgent need for people living there to prepare themselves. So the nonprofit organization Geohazards International, they push up the tsunami evacuation plan in this area by learning from Japanese experience. As shown by this figure, that the high ground actually allows people to stay during the tsunami, and that saved a lot of lives in a historical tsunami event in Japan. So a tsunami evacuation park is planned, as shown here, which is near the coast. That allows capacities of 20,000 people at the time of tsunami. However, comparing with the 400,000 possible death toll, it's only you only save like 5% of people, and that means even the high risk area is well identified, but there are a lot of works to do